Welcome to the Wig Wag Railroad Crossing Challenge. We are going all over California searching for Wig Wag Railroad Crossings. And where are we going to go today?
We're going to go from Santa Cruz to Point Richmond.
That's right. We are going to the Bay Area, California today. We are going to Santa Cruz to Point Richmond. There's some Wig Wags that still work. We don't know where we're staying, so this is going to be one heck of a road trip adventure. So go ahead and join us today on Elijah Goes Outside. Grocery outlet. We're gonna buy some snacks for our trip.
This is too heavy.
Lots and lots of snacks. Lots and lots of snacks. $50 worth of snacks. I think we overdid it. But let's see how this goes. So windy. Here we go. We're driving. We are now in Gaviota. Gaviota. We're at Brad's in Pismo Beach. Elijah, what do you think?
It's good. There's a beach house in if you look at out the window.
There's lots of beach houses around here, huh?
Beach house in.
Beach house in. Oh, look at that. You're getting fish and chips. What do you think?
The fries are good.
The fries are good? Oh. We are on our way up to Santa Cruz. There's 3 Wig Wags there. And then after that, we are going to head up to Point Richmond. And the story in Point Richmond was BNSF took control of the railroad there and wanted to take out the Wig Wag. But the community said, no way, you're not gonna take our Wig Wag. So some brave soul actually went and took measurements and found out that the Wig Wag was outside of BNSF's jurisdiction. So they raised the money, they took the Wig Wag out, they restored it, and now there's a beautiful 100% functional Wig Wag in Point Richmond, California. That is our ultimate destination. So we are on our way right now. There it is. Oh yeah. There's the tsunami siren. Whoa. Baby boy is asleep. The fish chicks knocked him out. This is beautiful Salinas, California. All right, we are in Salinas, California. Where are we?
We're like 44 minutes away from Santa Cruz.
All right, we're like 44 minutes away. We stopped off to get something to drink and go to little boy's room. Whew. 44 minutes to go. All right, this is a long drive. Oh, just so you guys can see some Wig Wags. Okay, we made it to Santa Cruz, California after 4.5 hours of driving, and we found our first Wig Wag. Ready for the big reveal? Here we go. You think these tracks still work?
Yep.
Yep.
Because they came from the side over there. Side where we were, these what the tracks connected.
This is the corner of Seabright and Murray, Santa Cruz, California. And there we have it. Our first wigwag of the day. There it is. Look at that. Oh, that's a beautiful shot. That's a beautiful shot. We're gonna cross. We're crossing, and here's a good shot. That was our first wigwag of the day in Santa Cruz, California. There are 2 more. Let's see if we can find them. We're here at the next wigwag. This is on Chestnut and Lincoln in Santa Cruz, California, and there it is.
That's in the middle of the street.
Yeah. And the other wigwag is close to here, actually. Look at these houses. Wow.
Daddy,
This is one heck of a neighborhood. What?
does our next one have real railroad crossing lights?
I don't know. I think the next one is just a couple blocks down.
It should have real railroad crossing
This
lights.
is a very nice neighborhood. So the third wigwag in Santa Cruz is just 1 block down. So we're walking to it right now. And that one is on the corner of Walnut and Chestnut. And there it is. It's very similar. Look at that massive, gigantic tree. Check this out.
Daddy, there's another crossing. There's another
Is there
crossing.
another crossing?
Let's check
Look,
that.
stand next to that tree.
Let's check that one.
Stand next to that tree. Oh my goodness gracious. That tree is massive. Look at that. Whoa. It's kind of chipping off. It's all locked up. Oh, look at it. There's a number. Report an emergency. There's another railroad crossing down the street. We're just gonna go check it out. What do you think about those wigwags?
It was good. Well, tomorrow we're going to Richmond and Point Richmond.
Tomorrow, we're gonna see the king of the wigwags. This wigwag has actually been restored. BNSF tried to take it out, but the community said, no, we don't want you to take out our wigwag. And so they restored it. They restored it and they put it back. Looks pretty good. Railroad crossings. Do you see any railroad crossings?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh, we've been duped. There's a railroad crossing sign, but 0 railroad crossings. We gotta find a place to stay tonight because we have no clue where we're staying, whether it's a hotel or camping. So I think we're gonna try to find a local Starbucks and figure that out. What do you think, hotel or camping?
Camping.
Camping. Camping, I don't know, we'll see. All right, wish us luck. So we decided we're going to camp. Thankfully, we were able to get a place at the KOA right under the wire. They closed at 5 and we got here right before 5. All right, let's put the tent together. We're in the tent now, and I'm blowing out my pillow.
Woo, 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 woo.
Este loquito. So this KOA is beautiful, but it's cold. And you know, Daddy is not used to being cold. But we're gonna see if we can get a good shot of the beach before the sun goes down. Whoa, whoa, man, what a view. So that over there is where we're camping. Camping in that thicket over there. And here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The beautiful, beautiful Santa Cruz coast. We're in our tent and we're eating salami and cheese for dinner. Yum. Do you like salami and cheese?
If you can find one of these Capri Suns. See?
Elijah, you're not cold?
No. This is from when we went on the Wigwag trip. You've probably never seen this.
We're gonna eat our dinner and then we're gonna go to bed. And then tomorrow is the big day. We're gonna see the bestest wigwag of all times, right?
Yep.
All right. Everybody go to sleep. Have a good night. Well, we survived. The sun is coming out. And it was really cold last night. It was like 37 degrees, which for us California boys, that's very, very cold. So, but we survived. We're good to go. We're gonna start breaking everything down shortly and then head to the mother lode of all wigwags.
Wait, I can see your breath.
That's how cold it is. Gosh. All right, let's go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that.
Look at that.
Okay, now we're crossing the Richmond Bridge. At the other side of this bridge is the most epic wigwag in history.
Yep.
Are you ready? Are you ready? All right, here we go. We found the most epic wigwags of wigwags. Here it is. Woohoo! Let's go film that one. Look at that, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
But I heard a ding, so.
Did you hear a ding?
Yeah.
I don't think it was that wigwag that made a ding. Right here, there's a tunnel. Goes down that way. And then the train track goes down that way. And then there's the Irish Pub and Grill right there. There's actually two of these wigwags. We're right in the middle of the intersection. So there's one right in front of me, which is that one. And then there's one in back of me. You can see it right there in back of me. So there's actually two wigwags. And then what's different about this is they actually have regular railroad crossings also. So they have the gates. See on either side. There's two gates. Wow. This is really cool. Here it is from the side. Look at that beautiful brick building behind there. There's one. And then there is the other one. Let's go this way. Oh, two wigwags. Look at this bank. Pretty sure this is an old railroad station. Pretty sure that's an old railroad station. Pretty cool. Do you guys know what time the train comes by? No? Different times, all right. Thank you.
When you don't want to come.
Yeah, exactly. Let's ask Pete's. There's a Pete's right there. Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you doing? I just have a question. Do you know what time the train comes by?
Anytime. It's like too many times a day, but they don't have exactly time.
Okay. But it does come like several times?
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially on Sunday, or if you want to see it.
Yeah. So we actually got on the phone and called the train master and tried to see if there was going to be any trains coming through here today. Unfortunately, there's no train scheduled, so we weren't able to get the Wigwags in action, but they do work. We have seen videos of them. Unfortunately, we have to go home because we have a long drive home, but this has been a great trip. Let's take another shot of these. And that's the regular railroad crossing. So these are very unique because it's a regular railroad crossing, and then right there is the Wigwag. All right, little boy. Time for us to go back home. But if you liked our video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and hope you have a great rest of your day.